Hello everyone, this is Max from Developer Websites, and I want to say thank you for everyone who donated me last few months. Half of your donations will always go to the charity. For example, in the Thailand, I'm currently in Thailand, there was floods in northern provinces, and I donated half of money you donated to charity. I will show some pictures from the floods, and I'll attach pictures from the proofs I donated them. So it was not much, but enough. Thank you. So like $50, and I want to say thank you who support me, who wants to help me. If you have some issues with your website or need some development help, feel free to contact me by email or by comments under video, and I'll do my best for your website and just for the donations. And half of this will go to charity, and I will show you proofs always. Thank you very much and have a nice day.